I'm not a very good judge of size. Like, I don't know, it's hard to get that across on a camera. But at a lake about I don't know, it's like 25, 30 miles from here, there's what they call the world's largest spruce tree. And I don't think it's that big. That thing is easy. Around it, geez, I don't know, 35 feet at least. At least. It's right here in front of me looking at it, it's 10 yards wide from that point to that point. That thing is giant. And it goes way, way up there. That's giant. Anyway, thought I'd show you that, guys. That's what a giant spruce looks like. It's so funny. I was in the military and I was stationed in Ohio, and I worked with a bunch of Vietnam vets there. And most of them were really, really cool. And so that was cool. But they would say, "Oh, you've never seen jungle." And they're right. But I've seen temperate rainforest. And I can tell you right now, if it was even close to this bad over there, I couldn't imagine trying to fight. Can you imagine trying to fight a war in this? There could be 100 guys laying down right there and you'd never see them. But anyway, not trying to brag, just saying. We got a little bit of ways from the creek. There's a trail over here. There used to be somewhere, like an old logging road type thing that led right to the road. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Coasting slowly through the woods. Keeping my head on a swivel. Keeping my ears open. And my eyes. Your eyes aren't a lot of good in this situation, right? But anyway, this is the Olympic National Park. People travel from all over the world to come here and see this country. And this is why. And I love it. I love it. I love playing out here. I love hiking out here. I love camping. Can't camp right here, but you know what I mean. I like getting out in local campgrounds because it's like this. It's just amazing. You never know what you're going to see or find. There's some incredible mushrooms out here, which I'm surprised I haven't seen any yet because it's been a little damp the last few days. Supposed to get a little bit more dampness this weekend, maybe tomorrow. Not enough to move any fish, but probably enough to spring up some mushrooms. I'm kind of surprised I'm not finding any walking through here. It's a great looking spot to look for. I mean, anything really, but all these spruce, I would think there'd be some boletes around. I'm not seeing any. And I think this is my trail right here, back to the car. So, just wanted to throw this little chunk of video in back at you. Show a little bit more of what I'm doing today. Hot. Just waders are hot. So anyway, hope you guys have a great Friday and a great weekend.